Have you ever wondered why reading books has remained one of the most powerful tools for personal growth, knowledge, and creativity throughout human history? Even in a world dominated by smartphones, streaming services, and social media feeds? In an era where information is often consumed in short, fleeting bursts, the act of picking up a book and immersing yourself in its pages may seem almost old-fashioned, yet it remains one of the most effective ways to enrich your mind, expand your understanding of the world, and cultivate a deeply fulfilling inner life. Reading books is not just a pastime. It is a transformative practice that stimulates the brain, nurtures imagination, and provides a wealth of knowledge that can guide both personal and professional development. Every word, every sentence, and every paragraph is more than just text on a page. It is an invitation to think critically, feel deeply, and explore realms of thought and experience far beyond your immediate surroundings. The importance of reading extends far beyond simply gathering facts. Each book is a carefully constructed universe, a vessel of ideas and experiences waiting to be discovered. When you read, you are engaging in an active process of thinking, visualizing, and interpreting, which stimulates neural connections in your brain and strengthens your ability to comprehend complex concepts. Unlike passive entertainment such as watching television or scrolling through social media, reading demands attention, focus, and mental effort. All of these contribute to cognitive growth. Studies have shown that people who read regularly develop better memory retention, enhanced analytical skills, and improved problem-solving abilities, precisely because reading requires the brain to work in ways that passive activities do not. It challenges the mind to imagine scenes, consider motivations, and anticipate outcomes, creating a mental workout that benefits both young learners and adults alike. Books are also unparalleled sources of knowledge. The knowledge contained within a book can span disciplines, cultures, and centuries, offering insights into subjects as varied as history, science, philosophy, art, and human behavior. But reading is not just about collecting facts. It is about connecting ideas, recognizing patterns, and understanding concepts at a deeper level. When you read, you expose yourself to the cumulative wisdom of countless minds, each offering perspectives shaped by their experiences, research, and creativity. A single book can inspire a new way of thinking, provide solutions to problems, or spark ideas that lead to innovation. This knowledge is not static. It is alive in your mind, available for application in everyday life, and capable of shaping your decisions, actions, and worldview. One of the most profound effects of reading is its ability to cultivate empathy and emotional intelligence. When you read fiction, you inhabit the minds of characters with thoughts, emotions, and experiences that are different from your own. You walk in their shoes, confront moral dilemmas, and experience joys, sorrows, and triumphs that you may never encounter personally. This process trains your brain to understand and relate to the feelings of others, enhancing your ability to communicate, connect, and build meaningful relationships. Even nonfiction books contribute to empathy by presenting real-life experiences, historical accounts, or cultural narratives that broaden your perspective and deepen your understanding of the human condition. In a world where empathy is increasingly recognized as a critical skill, reading offers a direct and effective way to cultivate it naturally and profoundly. Reading also has a significant impact on language skills. Every page you turn exposes you to new vocabulary, sentence structures, and modes of expression, which improves not only your comprehension, but also your ability to articulate ideas clearly and persuasively. This linguistic growth benefits every aspect of life, from writing essays and reports to giving presentations or engaging in casual conversation. Unlike rote memorization, which can be dry and disconnected, reading allows you to internalize language in context, making learning intuitive and lasting. Over time, this constant exposure to rich language and complex ideas enhances your cognitive flexibility and equips you with the tools to think critically and express yourself eloquently. Beyond the intellectual and emotional benefits, reading offers profound psychological and mental health advantages. Immersing yourself in a compelling narrative or absorbing a thought-provoking nonfiction book provides a form of escapism, allowing you to step away from daily stresses and enter a world of reflection and imagination. This mental break can reduce anxiety, improve focus, and even enhance overall well-being. Research has shown that reading can lower heart rates, reduce stress levels, and promote a sense of calm, particularly when compared to more passive forms of relaxation. It is one of the few activities that simultaneously challenges the mind while offering a restorative, meditative experience, making it an essential practice for mental and emotional balance. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. The benefits of reading extend into creativity and innovation as well. Fiction opens doors to worlds that do not exist, encouraging readers to imagine possibilities, envision solutions, and think beyond conventional limits. Nonfiction, on the other hand, often presents structured knowledge, techniques, and case studies that can inspire practical applications and problem-solving strategies. The combination of imaginative thinking and practical knowledge fosters a creative mindset that is highly valuable in personal projects, academic pursuits, and professional careers. Every story you read, every idea you encounter, becomes a seed that can grow into something entirely new, allowing you to contribute original thoughts and solutions in ways you might never have anticipated. Reading also encourages lifelong learning, a quality that is increasingly important in a rapidly changing world. Knowledge gained from books is not limited by age or career stage. It is accessible to anyone willing to dedicate time and attention. Lifelong readers tend to approach life with curiosity, adaptability, and resilience, constantly seeking to understand the world around them and improve themselves. This continuous engagement with ideas fosters not only intellectual growth, but also personal growth, helping individuals navigate challenges, make informed decisions, and approach life with a more thoughtful and intentional mindset. Reading becomes a habit, a practice that reinforces the pursuit of knowledge and the expansion of perspective throughout one's lifetime. From a cultural perspective, books are vital repositories of collective wisdom and human experience. They preserve stories, philosophies, and discoveries that have shaped societies for generations. By engaging with books, readers connect with the thoughts, struggles, and triumphs of people across time and geography, gaining insights that are often absent from immediate personal experience. This connection fosters a sense of continuity and understanding, allowing readers to appreciate the complexities of human history, societal evolution, and cultural diversity. In a globalized world, this cultural literacy is invaluable, helping individuals navigate different perspectives and engage respectfully with people from diverse backgrounds. Moreover, reading sharpens critical thinking skills. Encountering complex arguments, evaluating evidence, and analyzing perspectives within books encourages readers to question assumptions, challenge biases, and form independent judgments. In an age of information overload, the ability to critically assess what you read is crucial. Books teach not only content but also the methodology of thinking, providing readers with the tools to dissect ideas logically, recognize inconsistencies, and make well-informed decisions. This skill set is essential not only in academics and professional life, but also in everyday interactions and societal participation. The distinction between fiction and nonfiction further illustrates the breadth of reading's impact. Fiction cultivates imagination, empathy, and narrative understanding, helping readers navigate emotional landscapes and societal dynamics. Nonfiction, encompassing everything from biographies and historical accounts to scientific literature and self-help guides, delivers practical knowledge, analytical frameworks, and real-world insights. Engaging with both types of literature ensures a balanced intellectual diet, fostering creativity, emotional intelligence, and applied knowledge simultaneously. The synergy of these reading experiences makes the act of reading a holistic practice, benefiting mind, heart, and intellect in equal measure. Even the act of reading itself, beyond content, instills discipline and focus. In a culture where distractions are constant and attention spans are shrinking, dedicating time to read builds patience, perseverance, and the ability to engage deeply with complex material. This disciplined engagement translates into other areas of life, improving work ethic, concentration, and the capacity to achieve long-term goals. Reading is, therefore, not just an isolated activity, but a foundational habit that strengthens personal character and cognitive resilience. In today's digital age, where screens dominate daily life and information is often consumed superficially, the role of books is more critical than ever. Reading demands slowing down, reflecting, and interacting with ideas in a way that fleeting digital content cannot provide. It promotes mindfulness, encourages deliberate thought, and provides a refuge from the constant noise of modern life. Every book you open is an opportunity to deepen your understanding, refine your thinking, and enrich your inner world. It is a practice that not only educates but also elevates, providing tools for navigating the complexities of modern existence with wisdom, empathy, and creativity. Ultimately, reading books is a journey of transformation. It nurtures intellect, cultivates empathy, expands imagination, and fosters personal growth in ways that are profound and lasting. From the simple joys of a beloved story to the intricate insights of a detailed study, every book holds the potential to change the way you think, feel, and act. Reading is not merely a habit. It is a lifelong companion, a mentor, and a gateway to knowledge and self-discovery that continues to pay dividends throughout every stage of life. In a world of constant change and endless information, the practice of reading remains a timeless, unparalleled path to wisdom, understanding, and personal fulfillment. By embracing books as an essential part of life, you are investing in a richer, more thoughtful, and profoundly enlightened future. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.